Welcome to Forex Travels. Today we'll be analyzing NAS100 and US30. So before you get into the video, make sure you hit the sub button below. I'd really appreciate it. Without wasting time, let's get into it. Okay, now we are on the weekly time frame. So I'll start by laying out the level that I'm seeing on the market. So as you can see, I'm seeing this level over here. Over here as well. It's another level that I see over here as well, and over here. So bear in mind we're still on the weekly time frame. So these are basically all the levels that I'm seeing on the market so far. So I'm just gonna use the squares. Okay. Okay, so these are the levels. I just use the squares. Let me just remove the lines. Okay, bear in mind guys, we are still on the weekly time frame and we are going to check how NAS100 was moving on the weekly time frame. So as you can see, we had a push to the upper side over here, and then we had this side over here as well. So basically this is what we had, and then after the market reached this level over here, it decided to push to the lower side. So it did push to the lower side, and you can see from here it went down up until over here. We had some double bottom over there, and then now we are over here where the market is going to the upper side. So mostly we're gonna focus on the present. So okay, so this is what we have on the weekly time frame. I'll just remove this as you can see how the market moves. So mostly it moves because of this scenario here. It went up, came back. So you're anticipating NAS100 to move up until over here. But if you bear in mind, you saw like a little bit of retest. So you don't know if you're gonna see a retest over here, like what you're seeing over here, or over here. So I'll just move to the lower time frame, which is the daily time frame, to see what's really going on. Okay, so I'm assuming. Okay, so as we can see, like I've said, this is how NAS100 is moving. It's moving inside this pattern over here. So you can see at the top, on the bottom, you have two touches, but at the top, you have the third touch. So what do we know about third touches? We should anticipate a sell power if the market fails to break this level over here. But just because of this, we just know that we have first, second, third touch. So we're anticipating a third touch. I think we're supposed to look around this area here to see if we see like any level of resistance or support that we could find, so we can definitely know if you're going for the sellers or not. So on the daily time frame, when I zoom in, okay, let me just go back here with me. Okay, as you can see right over here on this line, okay, let me just use this here line. You can see that this level has been respected. We know that this level has been respected here. We can see it over here, over here, over here, over here. So this is a significant level, guys. But the question is, will the market, sorry, okay, let me just put it back. Will the market respect the line and push the lower side, or will it break to the upper side? So that question still remains undecided. But if we look here, the market touched this area here, just went back down. Over here, it touched this area here, went back down. Touched this area here, went back down. So the question still remains undecided. So basically, you know that the moment we see this kind of scenario here, this is our third touch. And what time is it? So the time now is 12 o'clock. The markets are closed. So yeah, we'll just move to the 4-hour time frame to see what's really going on this level right over there, so we can know if we are going for the sellers or not. So what am I seeing here? Am I seeing a false breakout or a retest on the level? So bear in mind, guys, this could be a retest from here, Let me just show you a scenario. This could be a retest from here and then a retest before we push to the upper side. That's a possible scenario, guys. We have to pay attention to that as well. Let me just remove this first. Bear in mind, we have the moment we are, as long as we are above this trend line, we are looking for buyers. And when we are below this level here, we are looking for sellers. So to be on the safer side for sellers, we are supposed to enter around here. Not here, because we don't know if the market, because if we enter here, the market will just trigger your order right over here and push to the upper side, which is still possible. But let us not get decided to, let's not decide yet which direction the market take. Let's keep on analyzing to see what's really going on. So from here, in the forward time frame, we have this over here, upper side. What do we have? Much is not going on over here. We don't have much going on the upper side. This is only the second touch, so we don't really know if it's a valid touch or not. So guys, this still remain undecided. So the best way to trade this, we'll just mark out some of the levels right over here. This level over here, and some of the levels are around here. So the best way is to just wait for the market to reach this level over here before we enter the sellers. So if you see the market failing to push to the upper side, we're gonna enter our sellers right here. This one you can just place a pending order, and a stop loss will be right over there, and then our overall target will be over here. But bear in mind, first take profit, we have to take it over here. We have marked, and the second take profit right over here, and the overall take profit. To be honest, the overall take profit of I'll be happy if we just take it over here. Let us not push our luck on this one. Um, so if it happens, but if you see that the market, because now I can't just show you one direction, guys, I have to show you all the possible scenarios that you could expect on the market. Hence, maybe when the market is ready, I'll be able to drop a video. But by the looks of things here on the 30 time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, you can see a hammer candlestick on the lower side, showing us you're going to the lower side. But if it happens, just know that for the buyers, you're going to enter here, up until here. Actually, for the buyers, if it goes for the buyers, let's just wait, guys. Let us not take any trade up until we hit this level over here. But for the sellers, we can take trades below this level here. You could just take the details on the sides and place your pending orders. Yeah, that will be all for NAS100. Let us move to US30. Okay, so now we're on US30. Guys, when it comes to US30 here, like I don't know what was going on, but most of the signals just went in to take profits, only first take profit. So I don't know what's going on, guys. Okay, hence I'm studying the analysis from at least late, because I really don't understand what am I doing wrong. So basically, we are here on US30. So if I were to draw my levels, I'm just gonna take time, guys, because I hate losing to this pair. Okay, now we have this part over here. Okay, and this area right over there, and then this level over here, and then we have this level where the market is at right now, which is kind of like respected. And by just doing that, I can see that the market is failing to break this level, hence as it failed to break it over here. Okay, which level am I seeing as a gain? Okay, this level here as well. So basically, this is what we have. And if we were to look down, from down, there's nothing much we can do over there. So I'm not gonna use the boxes here. I just wanna go thoroughly on it to see what's going on. I'll just go to the daily time frame. Okay, wait, before I go to the daily time frame, what am I seeing? Okay. I don't want to be hasty on this one. So alright, let's just use the boxes. Okay, you can see this level is potential. I'll just mark it out above the line. And triangle again. This level right over here. Okay, I've already put on the boxes, but not on this level here because I want to really know what's going on with this part over here. So if I were to look over here, I can see that the market from this point over here went up, then played around over this area here, and as you can see, it was failing to push the lower side because it did not hit this area over here. But it did touch this area here, and went back here and failed again. And you can see that most of the time on this area here the market fails a lot. But here it went down and here went up. Da, 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 da. Okay, now we are here. So this is what I can just interpret from the weekly time frame. And from here we assume this level over here. Okay, okay? I see the correct things, eh? Okay, cool. Now we have this. Let us move to the daily time frame because there's nothing much that I'm seeing over here. I'm just confused. Okay. So basically, let us draw this line because it's for the previous part over there. Basically, we are on this area here. So I'll just draw a box over starting from here only up until over here, and I'll just change the color so you guys don't get confused. So you can see the different time frame. Okay. So the market is failing to break this level over here. When the market touches this area here, it goes down, touch, go down, touch, go down, touch, go down, touch. Will it go down or not? That's the question I'm asking. I'm asking myself. So here's the high, highest high, highest high, highest high. Or is it the lowest? Yeah, the highest high here. If I'm correct. Okay, we had this. Boom. And then on the lower side, if you were to cater, this can go supposed to go with this or this. Let's see which one makes more sense, which one could be correct. So this is one of those pairs. If I keep on losing on them or taking only first take profits, I start doubting my price action. Okay, so this one you can just use it. So this one is like a line. So yeah, this one over here. So from here, you can see from here, what am I seeing? There's something going on here, firstly, but I want to focus here first before I just jump into whatever is going on. So I'm seeing this part over here. So this part has already happened. So I might just as well remove it. I just wanted that part so that I can see what's really going on here. Here, okay, probably this lowest low here goes with this one over here. That's how it's supposed to work. Okay, touches, good. You can see that we have proper touches on this one. You had first, second, and this being a third touch over here before going to the lower side. But you are failing to break this level over here. So I think I'll have to move to the 1 hour time frame to see what's really going on, because I have to get to the bottom of this, guys. I really have to. So I'm just taking my time, but bear with me. Cause yeah, okay, cool. A lot happened here, but I'm gonna focus here. Just to save time. But okay, yeah, cool. So from here, what can we say about this area here? Can see that this area here went down there. So this is what you have here. We had first, second. This was kind of like our retest. I won't say third touch. And we had this upper trend line. Oh, so already I'm seeing what's going on here. So we are on our third touch here because this first, second, third touch over here, and it retested it. So currently now we are falling. So we're gonna on US30 now. I think we're gonna fall from here up until here. So let me just delete this. Because you can see what I'm saying. I'm trying to show you here. We are falling up until here. So the moment we see a third touch over here, and this makes sense because it even corresponds with the NAS100 situation. So yeah, mostly, and you can see that we had a beautiful uh double top, a little bit of double top over here. So yeah, let us go back to the 4-hour time frame. As you see, guys, if you don't get whatever you need, just keep on digging deeper to the lower time frames to see what's really going on. So we could have, because this seems like it's gonna push the lower side. So enter below this blue, sorry, below this 34290 line. We enter below it to take profits right over here. Because after this, there's a possible scenario that we can keep on going up until this area here. Because as you can see, if we just zoom back, let me zoom out first. Okay, daily time frame first. Okay, there's no need for daily. Right, you can see that we have first, second. Okay, this touch has to be completed first to hit the third time before we push to the lower side. So firstly, we're gonna see a push inside this pattern over here to over here, and a push to the upper side and a push to the lower side. So this is what I'm anticipating on US30 in this coming week as the markets are closed now. Yeah, and guys, if you want more videos, make sure you hit that sub button below so I can keep on sending more videos. I'll keep on uploading more videos during the week. So yeah, that'll be all from us. FX Travels signing out.